Hey guys, welcome to Plant Therapy. I'm Mona, and this is my birthday weekend. I would claim the whole week, but I'll just settle for the weekend. Birthday's actually on Monday. Today is Friday, and I was out doing a little shopping, came home to find a package of plants I ordered from, this little pouch means, came from RareHerbsGardenNJ, New Jersey, one of my favorite sellers. Anyway, before I show you that, I had to show you, I finally got one of these. I've seen some of you guys post these, and I think they're adorable. And this one was from TJ Maxx for $5.99. So I grabbed the two because the pink with the greens, such a wonderful combination. So I don't even know what I'm going to use these for yet, but I just thought I'd show it to you. So let me get right to the plants. You can see some of them peeking here. This here is, let me bring it up closer so if I mess up the name, this is one of the free samples, or the free sample that was included. That's what I love about this seller. I'm sorry to glare. I hope you can see that. Anka Genoa, and I'm hoping I'm saying that right. This is the cutest little cutting. It's adorable. Here you can see I got a couple of leaves. Let me pull it out. Okay. It's always nice to come home and find your plant mail waiting for you, especially being that we're expecting a first storm of the year tomorrow. So I didn't want these stuck in the mail somewhere, but luckily they made it here. Isn't that beautiful? It's so cute. I looked it up because I wasn't familiar with this. And it's going right into Fluval shortly. It kind of has like Wayeti kind of look to it. And if I can find a picture to include up there, I will. But yeah, I can't wait to root this up and see it grow for me. Oh, I love my Hoyas. That's a Hoya, by the way. There's the name again. I need to get right to this because I was very excited to get this. Now, I'm going to show these to you in the order that I opened them. This is another Bella, guys. You know I killed off the other one. I don't know if I killed it off or if it was because it got caught in transit. I said the other day that it got caught in cold weather, but it might have been hot weather. I don't know. It was in the fall when I got that Bella. Now this one is, oh gosh, I'm going to put the name up there. It's the Albo Marginata. I'm not even going to try the name because I don't want to say the wrong thing. I'll put it on the screen, but she's cute, adorable. So Yvette, I don't know if you're watching, pray for me. You're the one who convinced me to try the Bella, by showing off your beauties. And okay, so let's keep going. The next one that I've been excited for is the Lima Splash. Is that not the most beautiful? And it has active growth going on here. So yeah, I'm going to get this. I'm going to leave it right here. Give it some more time. Let it get acclimated to my environment. And then we'll see. Eventually, I think she's going to need like a little trellis or something. I wish I could find like little mini trellises for Hoyas. If you guys have any ideas, can you please post a comment below? Okay, and then this one, I've been eyeing this one. I've been on his website quite a bit, and I've been looking at this thing. Look at the growth. Hoya Rebecca. Now, I didn't know the leaves were so tiny, and I tell you lately, I have this thing for tiny leaf Hoyas. And it's adorable, isn't it? If you can see, I'm trying to show you as much as possible here. Can you see the ribbing? I think you are able to see that. Hopefully you are. And I was just pleasantly surprised to see Where'd it go? Was that my imagination? I thought I saw a little peduncle right there. How about that? Happy birthday to me, huh? So this one is definitely begging for something to like a trellis or something. So I'm definitely going to try to make that happen, even though I'm going to leave it in this container for a little while. So yeah, this is Hoya Rebecca. Yeah, so cute. I wonder if she'll sun stress for me. We'll have to see. And my heart was beating so fast because I said, okay, I remembered I ordered 3 plants. And, he always includes a surprise cutting. And then I was like, but there's a 4th plant. What is this? Well, look. I'm sorry. I told myself I was not going to squeal, but I just can't help myself. So this is a gray ghost, guys. And this is a wish list plant. Now, I contacted him right away because I was like, is that a mistake? Did you mean to put a Hoya gray ghost in there? And he told me, because I had mentioned to him that I was going to be reaching out to him for some more plants. My birthday was coming up. He remembered that, and he included this. Jack, you and your partner, I tell you what, you guys are the best. I thank you so much. I don't even know if he watches these, but I thanked him right away. I was like so shocked. I thought maybe by mistake, they included an extra plant. And then, and I've been eyeing this plant. So this is so generous. I just can't believe it. But yeah, that made my birthday weekend. You guys know how I am. And if you could feel, oh my God, such a firm leaf. I've been eyeing them. Such a pretty, like minty green color with green splash. I don't know if that's the best way to describe this. So yeah, maybe kind of, I don't know if it's kind of silvery, but it's beautiful. So beautiful. I thank you. Okay, guys, I don't know how many more times I can recommend this seller to you, but such a nice touch. Everything about this business, the way they run their business, tip top. Okay, that's it. Wish me a happy birthday weekend. I'm already having a happy one, can you tell?